What's up guys, this is Lsaverftw. Welcome back to my channel and also welcome back to another pickups review. So today I'm gonna be reviewing a pair of Lanvin sneakers.
Lanvin.
But anyways, I decided to finally cop this pair of sneakers is because South Coast Plaza, a mall about an hour away from me, was doing a promo where you spend 1,100 bucks and you get a gift card of 111 back. Now, I haven't really bought any personals for myself in a cool minute, so the Lanvin curbs just kind of clicked in my mind. I was like, you know what? I kind of want this shoe and I've been thinking about it time to time, so I finally decided to pick one up. Now, when I went into the store, there was another pair that I tried on that had multi-animal prints on there with hits of red. The retail on that one was $12.90. I just didn't know if that one was gonna be a little bit too flashy for daily wears. I kind of went with the skate pair, which is, you know, a little bit more practical and something that I'm kind of more used to, you know. So yeah, without further ado, I know that was like enough chit chat about what's going on and how I bought the shoes. Let's go over the pair of Lanvin curbs that I purchased. It came with two stickers that was already slapped on. It's just this crazy dinosaur right here. And also right here on the side, we get the mother and child with the skateboard. Now, this is actually the skate Lanvin logo because regular version doesn't have the skateboard on the bottom. It just has a regular flat platform. That's the difference between the regular logo and the skate logo. So that's pretty much it with that. All right, so let me just show you guys the box label right here, right? And when we open it, it's pretty simple, nothing on the back. Just like most designer shoes, it does include two dust bags for your sneakers right here. Lanvin Paris right there. Those should fit your big and chunky shoes. This is how it comes exactly like this, straight out of the box. So this shoe doesn't really come with anything additional. It doesn't come with shoelaces, extra hang tags, or anything like that whatsoever. This shoe already comes with crazy details, all right? So a lot of people do compare this sneaker with the pair of Osiris D3s, which is like a skateboard shoe from way back. But this one is done in a more tasteful way, in my opinion. It doesn't have bubbles right there on the side. And this one is actually a little bit more slimmed down than a pair of regular Osiris skateboarding sneakers. This shoe is really simple. We have the huge fat tongue right here. I asked the employees about if there was a difference between the women's version and the men's version. A person at Lanvin mentioned that the women's pair actually comes with a slimmed down tongue. So for the ladies, they have an option to choose. This is a pretty simple pair of sneakers right here. The bottoms, let's just start with the bottoms. Bottom outsole right here is made of 100% rubber. It has rubber accents throughout the whole entire shoes, like on the upper, on the back of the shoe right there. This shoe consists of mainly calf skin and it has accents of nubuck. On the inside, where you see these little weaved areas right here, these are the polyester weaves. This shoe comes with the main shoelace that goes underneath. So the ultra wide laces are herringbone double wax laces. Pretty much most herringbone laces or patterns comes with this crazy zigzag pattern. Also, the orange really pops over the navy. That was an excellent touch by Lanvin. And also it has this plated area that says Lanvin Paris dead in the middle. This shoe is a size 43, made in Portugal. On the inside of the shoe is basically a white insole and it's just stamped Lanvin, okay? And now the last thing I want to go over with you guys is definitely the fit of this sneaker. This sneaker to me fits very true to size in my opinion. Now I watched other reviews, people saying that they did size down on them, but with this huge tongue, and since this shoe is so damn stiff, I don't know if you guys can see it, but even with me going like this doesn't move. Like, you know, I felt like this tongue pushes down so hard on your foot that I had to go true to size. I don't feel like it's needed to size down on these things. So I'm a US 10 and that's my size for Jordans. That's my size for some Adidas. I'm a 10.5 in some Adidas as well. Majority of Nike sneakers from Dunks to regular Jordans, I'm a 10. And this is a 43 and they fit me perfectly. I have no complaints. And I actually think that this is a more comfier sneaker than a lot of designer shoes. I feel like, yeah, this one's not bad. This one definitely you can daily wear without a problem. But that's pretty much it for this review, guys. Hit the subscribe button if you can. I know you guys watch these videos from time to time and don't subscribe, but it does help out this channel. And if you guys subscribe and this thing hits more views, I'll probably upload more frequently, you know, so you guys can see more stuff. But anyways, that's my review of the Lanvin skate curbs right here in the latest colorway.